Welcome to Final Touch Quarantine Napkin Folding. This time we're going to do this beautiful little boat. Great for any regatta or children's party or any party in Nova Scotia. And I hand it over to Mercedes.
We good?
Yep, we're good.
So, you want to start with a nice big napkin again. And again, cloth napkin. Then you're going to fold it in half. Then you're going to fold it into a triangle, one of the sides down to a triangle to you. Then fold it across to the other corner. Fold it across to the other corner. I keep losing the corner, sorry, just a sec. Okay, there, that's what I'm doing. Okay, over to the other corner. I swear I've done this before. Okay, then you take the last corner down towards you. Okay, then the corner that's got all of these little edges on it is the one that you want to use. And you want to find the center. And then all you do is twist it up. And that creates a beautiful sailboat motif. Kind of like it's riding the waves.
That's right. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.